What's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is Adrian with AJ Core TV. Today, I want to talk about some of the strategies that I'm using to hit YouTube partner and hopefully give you guys some ideas for your own channel along the way. Let's go. So I started this channel around the time the pandemic began. Since then, I've uploaded around 11 videos ranging from gaming topics to tech product reviews. I also have a family with 2 small kids, 2 dogs, and a full-time job. So finding time to learn about video editing, photography, videography, writing scripts, just all of that, it's almost impossible. But it's something that I believe I could eventually get good at with or without dedicated time. So unless you have 40 hours a week dedicated to content creation, overnight success is probably not going to happen. You're going to need a lot of patience. So with that being said, that brings me to today's video and what I want to share, how to use streaming to help you hit that partner goal. So first, let me show you what our 2 main objectives are and where to find them. All right, head over to youtube.com, and once you get there, top right corner, click on YouTube Studio. Once you arrive at YouTube Studio, look down on the left side and you'll see where it says monetization. So give that a click, and there we go. Here you'll see the 1,000 subscriber requirement as well as the 4,000 public watch hours within a 12-month period. All right, now that you know what you're shooting for, let's take a look at some of my stats around growth as it pertains to watch minutes. We'll look at a couple average months of 2020 before I started streaming on YouTube. All right, so here we are back in the analytics page, and I've clicked on watch time hours by video, and I've selected the month of November, which is right before I started streaming, and it was a total with all the videos that I've previously uploaded, a total of 96.9 watch hours. And it was pretty much that way, you know, give or take each month, ever since I started the channel. Now, here's what I've done so far from switching over from streaming on Twitch to YouTube in just 4 weeks. All right, so continue to pay attention down over here, 96 hours in November, and then let's look at the last 28 days, and look at that, boom, big jump to 217, which you know, I'm still a little short. Need to get to at least 333 hours monthly in order to average that 4,000 watch hours by December. So within 12 months, 4,000 watch hours broken down by month is 333. And so, you know, we still have some work to do there, but and if you look at let's just look at the 2020 here. So you could see I started my channel right around this period here, and then I started kind of growing a little bit, got some momentum going, and it just kind of stood there for, you know, a long time. And then I started streaming, and look at that, ever since then, just kind of, you know, way above this line. And that's the thing, obviously we want to get up here, but it's definitely a big start, and I'll continue to add upload new videos like this in addition to my streams, and we will definitely get there. So there it is, guys, a nice little way to give a little boost to those watch hours. There is something else. You absolutely need to know this. Your streams won't count towards watch minutes at all unless you have them set to public right after your stream ends, and this you can have done automatically, and I'll show you how right now. All right, so once you get to the go live screen, you want to make sure that this option is off. So unless live replay once stream ends, you want to make sure that it's not in the on position, and make sure it's on the off position. All right, next thing, click on edit right up here, make sure visibility is public so people know that you're on, and scroll down here. This section here, playlist, I went ahead and created a separate playlist just to have things a little bit cleaner. So you know, I have one just for my stream, so that's where all the live streams end up, and then my other content like reviews and things like that I will have right here in this playlist. So again, that's really up to you how you guys want to organize your page, and we can make a separate video on that. Just let me know in the comments down below, and we can also discuss you know, when it's a good time to use this option over here. But for now, for the purpose of this video, make sure the settings are exactly like I showed you there. Pretty cool, huh? That is one half of the equation. So in addition to your regular uploads, live streaming, as you could see, is certainly going to give you that boost that you need to get to those 4,000 watch hours. Next, subscribers. As far as subscribers, there's a lot of great information already out there, and most will tell you to use a more discoverable platform to create content on and then invite those viewers over to your channel. And now that still holds true. In fact, I use Twitch, which is, they're notoriously known for not being discoverable at all. And each time I earned a follower there, I would drop a link in the chat room, let them know that I was a YouTube content creator, and ask them to subscribe. And so I would say maybe half of my subscribers here on YouTube came over from Twitch. So if I could do that on Twitch, you know, and if you guys do it right by using TikTok or Twitter or whatever, you know, Facebook, whatever else is out there, that'll definitely help you get that boost. Keep that in mind. Also, since we're on that topic, if you've enjoyed this video so far and you want to catch all my updated videos, my new releases, uploads, live streams, or you just want to help me get to my 1,000 goal, hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you. So you see what I just did there? That's it. I mean, you got to just ask for it, you know, and make content that hopefully people will find valuable, and, you know, just have fun with it and don't take yourself too serious. Like I said, I spent 8 months on Twitch streaming to barely anybody, and I've been able to bring over a small community of about 7 average viewers, and who are now helping me get my watch minute goal. And with that, just attracting more and more subscribers and having a lot of fun along the way. So that's it. There's no rocket science behind it. Oh, forgot to mention, I recently upgraded my stream quality by implementing a 2-system setup, a PS5 for gaming and my PC for streaming. So connected, you know, using a capture card. So the outcome is a stable gaming experience for me and a much more pleasant viewing experience for you guys. So if that's not a win-win, I don't know what is. I'm going to cover this in much more detail in my upcoming PS5 video, so stay tuned for that. Definitely don't forget to hit that notification bell after you subscribe. See, I did it again. So that you won't miss out on that. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up, but I really hope that I've given you some ideas or you found any of this helpful. If you did, hit me with a like. But now I really want to hear from you guys. So what's worked well for you, or some suggestions you have for me? Let's continue this conversation down below. Most importantly, I want to know, what are your goals for YouTube in 2021? Let's help each other get there, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, we got this. We got this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got it. Yeah!